dear students, so this is another question. It says m varies directly as the cube of h. What does that mean? So we're going to write down first m is directly proportional to cube of h. So we're going to write down like this, cube of h. How are we going to convert this proportional sign? So we always change this sign with the equal sign and our constant. We always change this sign, proportionality sign, with the equal sign and our constant, and then h cubed. So that's called formula. If you would just substitute the k value in there, so that sometimes they're going to ask you in the question, so write down the formula in terms of m and h. So you just need to substitute the k value. Let's read the next line. When m is equals to 4 and h value is 0.5 cubed. So how are you going to find out the k value? We're going to divide both sides. We're going to divide both sides by 0.5 cubed. 0.5 cubed. So we will get over here, if you use your calculator, so we'll get the k value as 32. So now we know the k value, which is 32. So we're going to substitute in this formula again. So m is equals to, k value is 32. So we're going to put 32 h cubed. What's the next line says? Find the value of h when m is equals to 500. So we're going to put here 500 is equals to 32 h cubed. So we're going to divide both sides by 32. And then we left over here, h cubed is equals to 500 over 32. And now to get rid of h cubed, so we're going to take our cube root on this side. We're going to take our cube root on this side. So we're left with h is equals to 2.5. So this is our final answer. So h is equals to 2.5. So we're going to write down over here in the answer line, h is equals to 2.5. This is our final answer. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't forget to put in the comment section, and have a good day and see you later. Okay, bye.